Myntri khynnah Jong Sorkar pdeng ubari khmih tnad culture and tourism Jong Sorkar India Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Mynta ulawan hiar ban jurip yaki katto katne Jaka Jngohkai pyrthei kiba thain Mawkyrwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Bat liang Union Minister leit ban jngoh nyngkong shwai hot spring kabadon Shnong jakrem nangta Synrang Mawrin kabadon Shnong mountain ki Mawkyrwat Mawbenna lenik tenrong Shnong Mawranglang bat ya Mawranglang Viewpoint kabadon Mawranglang. Nakaliang Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Ula Jingiaroh shipon yakini thain Mawkyrwat bat ke district na Jingdon kilom bat kiwa tnad bat kumju Jylla Meghalaya bakadei beriuspa Jingitynnad kamariang bat keriti kedustor. Kini sngi layo ru ban pelong ya Jingialang belingkot Synrang Mawrin kabalawan ban Synrang lang do Deputy Commissioner jong district uba bi Maulong uba renikten lingdo tongkar MLA Mawkyrwat constituency uba M Synrang Joint Secretary jong Tourism Department uba I Laurenyang MCS Block Development Officer uba L Kharponria District Tourism Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District lembat kiwe.
हम जैसे हमारे गांव मोस्ट ऑफ यहाँ पे हमारे गांव हम लोग यहाँ की जो इंडिजिनस पीपल
Very good noon to all of you. Local MLA, Mr. Reddington, the Joint Secretary, Government of India and MD ITDC. Present here, the DM of Southwest Khasi Hills, the TC, the Principal of SNGAP College, the village head, dear friends, and the fellow artisans. At the outset, I would like to thank the District Administration of Southwest Khasi Hills, my dear friend MLA Mr. Reddington, for organizing this beautiful cultural event here at a very scenic and beautiful tourist spot developed by the state government. We came here to Shillong to sit with all the ministers and officials of the northeastern states to understand and further develop the tourism potential of the northeastern states. We all are aware that our beloved nation under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is marching towards becoming a developed nation by 2047. Our economy is continuously growing with the fastest speed in the larger economies of the world. And the potential of tourism is increasing day by day, month by month, and year on year. And when I say the increasing potential of tourism in our country, the maximum of the potential or the share of the tourism is inevitably to be gone to the northeastern states and especially the Meghalaya state. In all these northeastern states, we have everything, the cultural diversity and the natural beauties. The state governments, they have shared their plan yesterday. They have shared their beautiful prospects yesterday during the long meeting, day-long meeting. And I'm sure that the high ambitious goals and the plans of the state governments are going to create big opportunity for the tourists to visit these states experience this rich culture and heritage, beautiful locations, beautiful weather, and the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of the local communities. Their economic wealth will rise, their living conditions will be changed, and I wish that in coming future, the tourism will become the driver of the economy of these northeastern states. Good success and a beautiful life ahead. And once again, I would like to thank all the artists who have performed with a beautiful song and the dances and the music here at this scenic, beautiful place. Couple of memorandums have been given to me by the villagers, the head of the village society, by the local MLA, my friend Rinekton, and by the principal of the college and management committee of the college. I'll certainly put forward those memorandums to the right place, to the right officials, so that further action can be initiated. But as I mentioned, and yesterday night when we had discussed during the dinner with Chief Minister, my friend Conrad Sangamaji, we discussed a lot about harvesting the huge potential and beauty of Meghalaya as far as the tourism is concerned. Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is committed to develop these northeastern states and the potential of the tourism in these beautiful states. With these words, I once again thank you all for organizing this lovely, unforgettable, memorable moment for me at this beautiful place. Thank you very much.